From Clawdbot to Moltbot and now OpenClaw, the AI assistant formerly known as Clawdbot has officially reinvented itself again. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The free open-source AI tool has been on a wild ride. Originally Clawdbot, it quickly went viral on X, winning over AI enthusiasts, early adopters, and even minor internet celebs. But its GitHub page was hijacked by crypto scammers, urging that its AI was actually growing. To keep its popularity, founder Peter Steinberger first rebranded it as Moltbot, but now it's been named as OpenClaw. The new name aims to be more polished and appealing, leaving behind the bot-heavy branding of the past. According to Steinberger, the change was partly due to what he called polite nudges from Anthropic, whose Claude AI models power the assistant. Fans of the tool won't be disappointed. Clawdbot, Moltbot, or OpenClaw, it still promises the same powerful free AI assistant experience that made Clawdbot a sensation. It's designed for anyone from casual users to hardcore AI fans, blending utility with the playful personality that first made it viral. The name changes may be confusing a little, but the core of the tool hasn't changed at all. OpenClaw remains an open-source AI assistant that's proving just how far a free tool can go in a world obsessed with AI with subscription. With each rebrand, Steinberger seems to be fine-tuning the bot's image to match its growing influence, and OpenClaw is just getting started. Users are already waiting to see what's next for this AI that refuses to stay at a single name. Have you used this chatbot? Drop your reviews in the comments, like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. You think AI is just for robots and sci-fi? Think again, because it's already running your phone, your watch, and even your fridge. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Here's how AI is secretly taking over your everyday tech and making life way smarter. First up, your camera just got a brain. Yes, smartphones and webcams are no longer just lenses. AI-enhanced cameras can analyze lighting, recognize faces, and even shoot low-light photos like a pro. Night shots? No problem. Editing? Done in seconds. Next, your personal trainer never sleeps. Smartwatches now double as AI health coaches, tracking heart rate, sleep, stress, and workouts. Ask it questions, get instant advice, and soon your watch could even monitor blood pressure. AI also handles the boring stuff, from summarizing emails to writing spreadsheet formulas. AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini act like personal secretaries in your pocket. They remember details, connect the dots, and free you from these tasks so you can focus on the stuff that matters. Your kitchen's getting smarter with AI too, as it isn't just in phones, it's cooking your food too. Smart ovens, fridges, and coffee makers now adapt to your habits and even suggest recipes when you don't know what to eat. And of course, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, they're all running on AI-powered recommendation engines. From suggesting shows to translating content instantly, AI makes sure you're always watching what you love without even thinking. AI is everywhere already, and it's only getting started. Cameras, help, work, play, even your kitchen and couch. AI is making your devices smarter, faster, and more personal. And pretty soon, you won't be looking for tech with AI. You'll be wondering how you ever live without it. Which is your favorite AI help? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Hey AI fans, Anthropic just cut off OpenAI's access to Claude AI models, sparking a major feud in the AI world. Is this a sign of bigger battles to come? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI showdown. Anthropic yanked OpenAI's access to its Claude AI models after claims OpenAI used them to boost GPT-5. While benchmarking access stays, this move exposes fierce AI rivalries. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. It's reported OpenAI tapped Claude's coding, writing, and safety features to benchmark its own models, breaching Anthropic's terms against using Claude for rival development. Anthropic confirmed the ban but kept API access open for benchmarking and safety evaluations. OpenAI called it industry standard practice and lamented the decision, noting their API remains open to Anthropic. This clash follows Anthropic's earlier restrictions, like blocking OpenAI from Windsurf, with Chief Science Officer professor Jared Kaplan, saying selling Claude to rivals would be incongruous. The move highlights growing AI competition, especially with GPT-5 looming. Anthropic's balancing act, allowing evaluation but not development, shows the tightrope between collaboration and protecting proprietary tech. This feud signals a heated AI race, with companies like Anthropic guarding their tech fiercely. As GPT-5 nears, scrutiny over cross-company tool use will likely grow. Analysts say this could set new norms for how AI giants share or don't share their innovations. Is the AI industry heading for a turf war? With Claude access cut, OpenAI's GPT-5 prep might face hurdles, while Anthropic doubles down on protecting Claude. Stay tuned for more AI drama. What's your take on this rivalry? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Anthropic's Claude ban on OpenAI. Are you Team Anthropic, Team OpenAI, or just hype for GPT-5? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If we tell you there's a 1 in 4 chance that your plane will crash, would you still take the flight? Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your favorite tech hub. For Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei, the answer is yes, at least when it comes to artificial intelligence. Speaking at the Axios AI and DC Summit, Amodei casually dropped one of the most chilling probabilities in tech. He estimates there's a 25% chance that AI could lead to a really bad outcome on the scale of societal collapse or existential catastrophe, and yet he's not hitting the brakes. In fact, he's gearing up. Amodei said, "I think there's a 25% chance things go really badly, but I'm more focused on the 75% chance they go really well." That optimism isn't dumb, but it is a strategy Amodei isn't just taking from the sidelines. As the CEO of the company behind Claude, one of the leading AI models, he's actively shaping the very future he's speculating about. His really well includes everything from revolutionized medicine to climate solutions and a radically more efficient world. But it's that 25%, which is enough to keep our eyes from shutting at night. But at least Amodei isn't downplaying the risk, and it forces a critical question. If we truly believe in that 75% positive potential, what are we doing to ensure we don't fall into the darker quarter? He's not walking away from crashing planes. He has tools in hand, trying to make sure it lands. Till then, make sure you're saying your pleases and thank yous to AI chatbots, just in case. What are your thoughts about this? Tell us in the comments, and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. How Amazon and Microsoft are swallowing AI startups without getting caught. The AI industry is heating up, and big tech is on the hunt. A close watch over every step, or rather by, is stringent antitrust regulations that has barred them from buying up startups that they used to earlier. Instead, it's the very clever tactic of using a reverse acqui-hire that allows these tech giants to snap up talent and technology without raising red flags. Here's what's happening. At a recent tech conference, Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn and an investor in AI startup Inflection, called out the hiring of Inflection's team by Microsoft as a pattern maker for future AI deals, about which he was correct. The latest is Amazon's hiring of most of the team behind AI startup Adept and licensing of its technology. It allows Amazon to tap Adept expertise without formally acquiring the company and its potential antitrust scrutiny. Adept, which raised $400 million from top investors, was struggling to keep up with the costly demands of building leading AI models. With its funding running out, it was looking to sell. Amazon seized the opportunity and hired 60% of Adept's staff, licensing its technology to help speed up in-house AI roadmap. This reverse acqui-hire strategy is a clever way for big tech to swallow AI startups without getting caught. It can hire talent and license technology to side up the adversarial gaze of antitrust regulators. This works by hiring talent and licensing technology. They can avoid the scrutiny of antitrust regulators. It's a win-win for both parties. The startup keeps its technology alive, and big tech plugs right into the most recent AI innovations at reduced cost.